So I've repaired my tire here. Well, I made a tire with some tape. Now this is how the tape turned out after much use. So I decided to change it. Trash that. Now what I did, I got me this is a piece of wheelbarrow tube, just the size to go around this wheel and fit tight enough, snug. What I did, I cut the wheelbarrow tube all the way around to get me a wide enough piece of tube. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some adhesive on here. Make sure it's nice and wet. Now since the masking tape didn't get ruined, I figured I should just leave it and work with it again. Put some spray on this one. Now this glue is so that the tube don't slide off. Let it get a little tacky. Oh, it's already tacky. And what I want to do is put it on here. Get me clamp. Clamp me here and clamp it here. All I gotta do is just stretch it into place. Line it up properly. Okay, there we go. Bandsaw tire ready for working. Now I'll just install it.